The game that we have created is called Gacha, and this game has a cops and robbers concept. The game requires 6 players to participate. The game is intended for adolescents ages 13 to 17 due to its complex nature. Typically, developing adolescents are expected to have the ability to realize that people are full of complexities and contradictions. This skill is necessary to play the game because the game has a lot of complex rules and twists. Once all players have gathered, the game can begin. There will be 2 sets of cards. The first set is called the player role set and contains 6 cards. 1 card for the mayor, 3 cards for cop roles, 1 card for robber, and 1 card for the lead robber role. The card drawn by each player will determine their role. The second set contains 20 cards, 10 blue ones and 10 gray ones. This set will be drawn from by each player when it is their turn. The objective of the game is for players to help their side win. In order for the cops to win, 5 blue cards must be placed on the game board. Or, cops can also win by correctly identifying who the lead robber is and exposing that person. In order for the robbers to win, 3 gray cards must be placed on the game board. To start the game, any player can go first, but the remaining players have to move in an order that is counterclockwise from the person who started. Players must first choose from the player role set of cards to be assigned a role. The mayor will make themselves known to everyone, while everyone else will keep their role a secret. The first round officially starts once players are assigned their roles. Each round will consist of each cop and each robber picking their choice of card from the second set of cards and placing that card on the board. Once every player has chosen a card and has played that card, the round is over. Players will then discuss with each other who they think the lead robber is. They will then try to persuade the mayor to pick a certain player as the lead robber. The mayor is the one who makes the final decision as to who is suspected to be the lead robber. They make their decision after hearing everyone out. If the choice is wrong, another round will be played. The game ends when one group wins or when the lead robber is caught. And now, moving on to the flyer, this is what we came up with. Once again, the game is called Gacha, and it is a cops and robbers type of game. 6 adolescents are required to play. The instructions are listed and were explained just now. For the goal, the game is trying to get players to work as a collective by behaving appropriately within their assigned roles. In the game, some will act accordingly to their role, while others might want to play deceptively to avoid being caught. Ideas of relational self, identity, pragmatics, and theory of mind are interwoven into the game, and players must successfully use their skills to win. For the benefits, the game offers frequent opportunities to play imaginatively with siblings and friends, to discuss one's thoughts and feelings, and to be socially aware of one's ongoing surroundings and relationships. These opportunities allow players to use their understanding of theory of mind in order to maneuver and manipulate other players. Players are also required to be cognitively flexible, have inhibitory control, follow rules, and problem solve using executive functions. Children who play the game strengthen their theory of mind, learn how to communicate effectively, and learn how to use strategy while interacting with others in an appropriate manner. They also learn how their identity and behavior is shaped by social and cultural contexts. And that wraps up our game presentation.